Wow, this beautiful fireworks here. I can't see, man. I'm gonna go to the station here. Where's the fireworks? Where is it? I can see the fireworks right here, but it's colorful and beautiful. With this fireworks come here. Wow! I can hear the fireworks coming through. Well, folks, happy birthday, America. It's now over 245 years old. Hey, there's the fireworks here. Unbelievable. As you can see, they're popping right there, so it's, ooh, nice colorful fireworks right here. Wow! Oh my God. It feels like thunderstorm right here. Better's not. Oh, firefly. Look at the beautiful fireworks right here. Man, should be having Canada Day fireworks, but it's not Canada Day. Man, it's over. Wow! Oh, look at the great fireworks right here. Wow! Man, I'm going to get trouble for this if I get watching the fireworks at the station here. Wow. Oh, look at that. Look at that. See? Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Oh, look at the red firework. Wow. And green. Feels like Christmas. It's not December, I guess. Man, I gotta go. Wow, the huge firework that crossed right in the tri-state area. Man. Wow. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Yikes. Huge pop. Oh, nice one. And look at that beautiful firework here. Right to the tri-state area. Well, folks, happy 4th of July, everyone. Can't believe it's over. Haha. Man, I gotta go.